to the fundamental trade-off in database architecture, ACID versus base. We must choose between strict data correctness and high availability at global scale. In the ACID model, A stands for atomicity. A transaction is a single, indivisible logical unit. It either completely succeeds or completely fails and rolls back. C is for consistency. The database transitions from one valid state to another, strictly enforcing defined constraints and triggers before committing. I represents isolation. Multiple concurrent transactions execute sequentially. Using row-level locking and multi-version concurrency control, parallel operations never interfere. D is for durability. Once a transaction commits, changes are permanently recorded to non-volatile storage, using a write-ahead log, surviving power failures. As systems scale horizontally, the CAP theorem dictates we cannot have both perfect consistency and perfect availability during network partitions. Enter base. In NoSQL distributed systems, base prioritizes uptime. Basically available guarantees a response for any request, even if it contains slightly stale data. The soft state principle acknowledges system state may change over time without new input. Nodes operate asynchronously, keeping data in constant flux. Finally, eventual consistency ensures that without new updates, all replicas will converge on the same data, using background mechanisms like gossip protocols. Choose ACID for financial ledgers, where absolute precision is critical. Choose base for social feeds, where high throughput and continuous availability are paramount.